She tried to take me no in this cat, nigga can't even see me on wind. She tried to flight, nigga in this cat. She tried to flight me no way out of here.
Hey friends, it's your girl Nicole. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back better than ever with another video. If this your first time seeing me on your screen, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey my J-Bae. Anyways, y'all, as y'all can see by the title, we finna get into this lash look, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna teach y'all how to put on the lashes, them DIY lashes, because I know lash takes is eating at y'all pockets, okay? Y'all wanna save a little coin. I know that them lashes be expensive, okay? That's why I stopped getting them, baby. And they fall out and be on my pillow when I wake up the next morning, okay? So anyways, this is something quick, easy, simple. It lasts for about a week or two. So yeah, you ain't gotta worry, baby, and you can do it at your own time, at your own pace. You ain't gotta book no appointment for these, okay? But yeah, these are from UCoolMe. It comes with everything that you need. I will leave the link down below. I did get it off of the TikTok shop. So yeah, hopefully I can provide y'all with that link. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this video. A quick little disclaimer before we get into the video. I'm not a professional and neither am I claiming to be, but I'm just trying to save a coin just like you. So I'm just sharing what I've learned, okay? So yeah, thank you. Now let's get into the video. Today we're going to be using UCoolMe lash clusters from the TikTok shop. This kit comes with the bonding seal, tweezers, a spoolie, lash remover, and of course the lash clusters. I didn't include the lash remover in this video because we won't be using it today. You're gonna start by taking the bond and brushing it through your lashes. Some people only tap at the base of the lash, but for me, they last longer when I do it this way. It's literally trial and error, so do whatever works for you. And I'll also leave the lash map at the bottom of the screen so you guys can keep up with me, okay? So take your first cluster, and to ensure a long wear, I dip the cluster on the wand, and I'll demonstrate exactly what I mean. And just make sure that y'all take y'all time, because I promise y'all do not want to get this stuff in your eye. I promise you, coming from somebody that's been there and done that, okay? So this is what I mean when I say I dip the cluster into the wand. Right here is what I mean. Either I dip it into the wand or I dip it on the spoolie part, whichever one has the most product, honestly. And make sure that y'all are placing your lashes on the base of your lashes. The base, okay? Not the white part, okay, babes? The base. Because I promise you, you're going to regret placing that lash on that waterline, okay? It's not no joke. So do as I say. Okay, thank you. So y'all see how I just messed up right there? That often happens, so it's no big deal really. Just make sure that your lash tweezers are clean. Just take a makeup wipe and just wipe it. Make sure that it's clean so it don't get stuck to your lash. So this is how the first eye look. Now we're about to move on to the next one and literally just do the same exact thing. I promise y'all, the more y'all practice, the easier it'll be, the quicker it'll be to do it. Like, it'll be like cake. So this is what it looks like with them both done. If you like this look, you can stop right here, but I like mine a little bit more bold, so I stack mine. So I'm literally gonna go in with the same lengths all over again and play the game. Should've never given it away. With the lash map that I use, I normally do the longest length at the end and the shorter length in the inner corner. I've seen people do all type of lash maps, so just let me know in the comments, what type of lash map do you do? Like, I want to try something different because I always try these. Once you're all done, you're going to take your seal and only add it at the base. And I say this because you do not want no stiff and still lashes, okay? Because I know y'all don't want no plastic Barbie doll lashes.
Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave you lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me.
I absolutely love how these turned out, and we did it at home and by ourselves, so that's a win-win for me. Alright, my J-Bays, that's it for today's video. If you like my lashes, let me know in the comments, okay? But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified every time you're gonna upload, okay? Y'all already know the drill. But yeah, see y'all in my next one. Bye.